Now we will talk a little bit more about research methods and in particular the primary research. Primary research is that you get new information directly from other people, and it can be done through a questionnaire or through an interview. Whereas in the individual report we are using a lot of secondary information, so that is why we don't really focus on the interviews and on a questionnaire. In the individual report, it is very important that you are able to address an issue from a global, local and personal perspective. In the team project, the cultural perspective is very important. And the cultural perspective that explains through the eyes of a socio-economic relation to a problem. So what we already identified before, someone who is poor addresses a problem from a different point of view than someone who is rich. And someone who is from a cold country might think about the topic differently than someone who is from a hot country. When it comes to, for example, activity 1.11, water, food and agriculture, then what is needed to be done is you have decided to put a short video clip as a way of persuading people to produce less food waste. But how is the food waste in a cold country compared to a rich country? Is there a difference? Do richer people spill more food, or do poorer people actually waste more food? I don't know, but that is exactly the thing that we can find out through the primary research, and that is by asking people. So we have to identify relevant cultures or subcultures, culture groups, and then using the primary research to come to an answer. And that is through a questionnaire or an interview. So it's very important to read pages 12, 13, 14 and in a way also 15 of your book. Go into the text and be able to understand all the different subheadings before you attempt the activity 1.11 and 1.12, in which is asked to put the steps of primary research in a correct order. The teacher will be very much looking forward to see what you think the order is and also what needs to be done, as in question number 1.11.